Hello guys, today I'm going to show you how to customize the watch faces on your Active 3 Premium watch. At first you need to have any watch face downloaded that is customizable. So at first open watch faces and scroll down to the section of customizable. Here, as you can see, let me for example download here the Data Horizon Sync. Now, as you can see, we are having this watch face enabled, and now here we have synced successfully. Now, how to customize this watch face? As you can see, if we go to mine, we can see this, but we can't really do anything here. Yes, because this is the thing that we need to do on our device. So hold your finger on this watch face in your watch and tap this button at the bottom. As you can see, it's very small, so let me zoom in here quickly now. Maybe not, it's not quick, but it's good. Now here, as you can see, we have distance, which is the best to edit at first. Distance. Here they have pressure, kilocalories, UV index, stand, ASL, distance. So let me, for example, here pressure. Now we can somehow exit from this. Wait a moment. Here now, as you can see, we have pressure, the HPA. So apart from that, if we tap this button, we can see that apart from here, we can do here tap this button. And here we have this list of these components. Well, just to see everything better. So that's it. Hope it helps you, and goodbye.